Adapt, meaning when you adapt something such as plan, opinion, idea, policy, manner, method, practice, etc., that are made by another, you make or take it for your own use or make it one's own, to use or practice after having it, to approve, to take someone else's child and treat him or her as one's own child. Adorable, meaning adorable person or animal or thing is an exceptionally attractive or lovable or admirable. Adorn, meaning when you adorn a place or thing, you put or add something, example, decorations, ornaments, accessories, to make it beautiful or to improve appearance. Adrift, meaning when a vessel or boat is adrift, it is floating and not anchored or not being controlled. When you are adrift, you feel alone or unguided, purposeless or aimless or directionless. You don't know what to do because you have no clear idea. Adroit, meaning if you describe someone as adroit, he or she is skillful or an expert in bodily movements or actions or attitude. Fast thinker, clever, resourcefulness in dealing matters or problems or situations. Adulation, meaning if one receives an adulation, he or she received an excessive praise or admiration or wonderful comments. Adulterate, meaning unadulterated food or drinks or materials or anything that can be adulterated is something that has made the quality impure or low by adding inferior or cheaper elements to it. Advantageous, meaning advantageous is something that is favorable, valuable, helpful, useful, beneficial to you or almost every good things on your side. Advent, meaning a coming or arrival or starting or beginning into existence or being, something like happenings, events, developments, inventions, or situations. Adversary, meaning your adversary is your enemy or opponent in a battle, debate, interest, or contest. Hold antagonistic view on someone. Adverse, meaning when the effect, outcome, result, situation, condition, or decision is adverse, it is not favorable or not good. Behaving in a contrary direction, contrary or against one's view or interest, can cause damage or harm. Adversity, meaning a state of difficulty, hardship, misfortune, distress, trouble, calamity, or unfavorable situation or condition. Advisement, meaning if you take something under advisement, it is provided with careful consideration or deliberation. Advocate, meaning if a person advocates a cause, plan, project, proposal, policy, or action, he is supporting and defending it. Aegis, meaning if a person or something is under the aegis of an organization, government, group, individual, or company, he is under the support, protection, control, guidance, or sponsorship. Eon, a very or indefinitely or seemingly long period or span of time, the biggest division of geological time, 1 billion years. Aesthetic, meaning something to do with beauty or art. Affable, meaning friendly and pleasant personality. Affectation, meaning a behavior that someone not naturally does but still act it in order to impress others. Affectionate, meaning expressing or displaying love, showing or conveying affection or affection, loving.